Okay, ladies and gents, does your Porter cable drill press have a bit of the shakes? I'll tell you how to fix that right here. Here's what you're going to want to do. Step 1. Find this thing that came with the drill press. Or make one. It's literally just a wedge. It does not quite matter the size and shape, so long as you've got a ramp to push things with. Number 2. Run your arm down until you see that oval slot in there. Easy way to keep this down while you're working on it. Put your elbow on this guy. Run this guy all the way up. Boom. Now she's going to hold true. Unplug it. Clearly not unplugged. Line up your oval with your other oval, which is going to hit the top of your pin for your chuck anchor. Take this guy. Tapered side down. Shove it in the hole. Get a big freaking hammer and give her a little tap. Bingo bango. Take this thing, throw it right in the trash. Unless you want to save your drill bit. I think I'll do that. Take your chuck key, put it right back in the holster. You're never going to touch that again. Because what you're going to do is going to get one of these nicer keyless chucks. If you want to know the part number, it's JT33, 1/32 a half inch. Then you're also going to need one of these. Focus. MT2 JT33 3/8 16 TPI chuck arbors. You can take this monkey and you're literally just gonna shove it up in there as fast as you can. That's it. That's all that makes it hold. And now you're gonna be running nice and true. And just because it's a fun demo, I'll show you how easy this is. Snug it, tug it, you're good to go. If you want to take it apart, just give her a quick twist. She's free. Ten times better.